Greetings YouTube, this is Rusty for Project Forerunner. I just wanted to do a quick review and recommendation for the WeatherTech floor liners. These are specifically for the 5th gen Toyota Forerunner. And if you get a nice new vehicle, I would recommend this to be about your first purchase. You know, they aren't super cheap. This set was over $300, but the sooner you get it, the better, because it literally covers about 98% of your floor. And you can see it turns up the side really nice. It actually creates its own little water containment system, and even has little raises around here where you could probably pour 20 ounces of fluid down here and it wouldn't get to your carpet. So quickly, let me show you how easy these are to put in. Easy peasy. Alright, so definitely make sure it's under the gas pedal and the brake pedal. And there we go. And if you notice, these are the factory Toyota latches. Matches up like a dream, and rides this contour really well. Overlaps on the sill plate, and sorry, hard to see there. Just a great concept, and I mean, in a perfect world, vehicles would come with these on them. But quickly, let me show you around. I'll go to the other side because I think there's more light over here. We'll check out this rear seat area. And the rear is actually one solid piece. It goes over the hump. There's no little clips like the front, but same quality, same fit. Overlaps the sill. Beautiful, beautiful product. And if you go for the full package, you get one for the rear cargo area. And it's really nice. If there's only one complaint, maybe it's a little on the light side, but I think typically you'll have some stuff on top of it, and it's definitely got a sticky texture, so that's good, like a rubbery, no slide. And I guess there is one product that I hear that rivals it, and they are the Husky liners, and that's the one thing that they may have on the WeatherTechs. Is I heard that they are a heavier rubber, so they might kind of sit down in place, and but really, you know, you'd have to be flying with all the windows down and nothing on this for it to even want to move. And while we're at it, if you guys are like me, you like to be prepared, and these boxes that I found made by MTM, yes, Case Guard. They're real nice because if you see these slots, they lock into one another. See, there we go. Yeah, there we go. And there's actually two different sizes, shorties and then the taller ones. I got two of each, loaded with, you know, all the necessities. Jumper cables, tow straps, car washing stuff, drafting supplies for work. So I definitely recommend that product as well. But back to the WeatherTechs. Definitely recommend the product. It should definitely be one of your first purchases for your car, I would think. Anyway, thanks guys.